George's like, let's just go down there and check. I'm like, well, good morning. We are up and at 'em. It's a brisk morning here, right outside of Big Bend Park and Rough Creek Hip Camp. We're gonna have some breakfast. We're going to get packed up and we're gonna head into the camp. And let me see if we can show you some beautiful parts of Big Bend. Big Bend National Park was established in 1944 and getting its name from the Big Bend in the Rio Grande River. Sotol Vista was our first stop in the park with amazing views to the west all the way to Santa Elena Canyon and beyond. Our next stop was Santa Elena Canyon, where we took a little hike. And that, folks, was the Santa Elena Trail. One should never go to the park without going to the Chisos Mountains and the Visitor Center. After refueling at a very expensive in-park gas station, it was time to head to camp. I think just what has surprised me about Big Bend National Park is the vastness of it. I mean, it's like 2 hours to drive from one end to the other. It's the diversity in climate, the diversity in the ecosystem. It's amazing to me. We haven't seen any bears and stuff like that out here, but they're here, and you get lost in just the majesticness of it. So it's there's a whole nother side of the park we haven't even gone to. We've really only been on the west and north side of the park. So we'll be back and we'll take you along with us. Hey Dana, what's for dinner?
Tonight we are going to have a ragu of sorts. This is some freshly made cheeseburger sausage made at Hirsch's in Plano. They're our local butcher store that we get all of our meats from. So I'm going to have this with some pasta sauce, and we'll have it with some spinach and cheese tortellini.
And where'd you get that fancy knife from?
I got this fancy knife while we were at Expo West last year. I'm sorry I can't remember the name of the chef that I bought it from, but he's an Overland chef, and he designed and worked with the manufacturer.
I love that knife.
It's awesome. It really.
That's what I call a campsite meal. This is what we do for fun. Sit around watching the bats eat the flies and the mosquitoes.
And the moths.
And the moths. Watching bats at camp. Only in Big Bend. If the Devo's lights wasn't so good, probably wouldn't be able to capture it. Ooh. You see him?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, folks. Last morning in the park. You can see these mountains behind me. This was our view, drinking coffee. The Paint Gap camping spot or camping road here, Paint Gap spots 1 through 4, I believe. They're pretty sweet. The diversity of life around here. Last night we were sitting around the Devo's light. Then all of a sudden we started seeing bats flying around eating the moths and stuff. It was kind of like we had our own little animal show there just because of the light we put out. The Devos did really well, lit up the whole camp. The alley cab did really good. Had to turn the heater on just once this morning because it was pretty chilly. The batteries are solid. This thing is 100% almost all the time. But I think we're gonna go ahead and pack it up and start heading back home. We appreciate y'all coming along with us. We'll see you in the next video and down the road.